everybody, I'm going to make a quick video. If you recall, my video where I unboxed my deluxe mystery box, there was an incident with my peppermint frost. My kid was trying to put it in the other box and he said he stuck his finger like that. This is my new box. And it broke apart. So I flipped it over on a paper towel, not a paper towel, paper plate to get the crumbs out so I can like add alcohol and smush it in. And the chocolate colored one plopped out all in one piece. So there might have been an issue with, I'm opening this, there might have been an issue with it being loose in there. I didn't tell them that when I emailed them. I just told them that. Anyways, I talked to somebody on Twitter. I posted it and they said I should try emailing customer care because their kid broke their palette of like eyeshadow and they replaced it. So I said, I might as well try. So I emailed them and I got an email back a few days ago and they said that they could give me $20 back or send me a new one, and I told them I would love a new one. So yeah, I fixed the other one, kind of like smushed it in. I'll show you what it looks like. I smushed it back together after the alcohol and it's usable now. And I sent him a picture like this, told him my kid broke it, and I didn't think I would get a new one because on Twitter like it came out and they said they ran out. I know like 1,000 people didn't get it. So what I'm thinking is they have some for replacements of people who, you know, had issues with it shipping, and there's not enough for like those 1,000 people. So anyways, they gave me a new one. I was like really surprised because I didn't think it was gonna happen. I thought they were out. So I'm just gonna save this. My kid's in there screaming. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, I got a new one. I'm like really surprised. Let's see. I imagine it'd be broke. It's beautiful. Sorry if anyone's watching who didn't get one. That would really suck. So that's all I have for you today. I'm just looking at it because it looks a little bit, there's color outside of the thing. And I'm going to save this in the box. Hi, if you watched, thanks for watching. I have another couple videos coming. I'm getting some nail stuff. They're pre-made gel nails. I got those coming, and oh, there was a restock on New Year's Eve of some of the Jeffree stuff on Beautylish, so I got the makeup bag. I don't like this angle. Whatever. And I think that's it. Yeah, makeup bag and nail stuff. So when I get my nails, I'm gonna make a video of my nails, and I will make a video unboxing my makeup bag. And I think that's all I have to say right now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please, because I need subscribers, because not having any subscribers is discouraging. Thanks for watching.